In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the white background from an image in Microsoft Word. When you insert an image into a document, you may sometimes notice that it has a white background that doesn't blend well with the rest of your page. This often happens with logos, icons, or graphics that were saved with a solid background color. Removing that white background can make the image look cleaner and help it fit better with text, shapes, or other design elements in your document. Fortunately, Microsoft Word includes a built-in tool that allows you to remove backgrounds from images without needing any additional software. To begin, open the Microsoft Word document that contains the image you want to edit. Once the document is open, locate the picture with the white background. Click directly on the image to select it. When the image becomes selected, you will see small handles appear around it, and a new tab called Picture Format will appear in the ribbon at the top of the window. After selecting the image, go to the Picture Format tab. In this tab, look for the option labeled Remove Background. This tool is specifically designed to detect and remove the background from an image. Click on Remove Background, and Word will automatically analyze the picture. When the tool activates, the image area will change to show a highlighted preview. Typically, the areas marked in purple represent the portions of the image that Word plans to remove. The remaining visible areas represent the parts of the image that will be kept. Sometimes the automatic selection is already accurate, but in other cases you may need to adjust it slightly. If parts of the image that you want to keep are marked for removal, you can correct this using the tools provided in the ribbon. Use the option to mark areas to keep or mark areas to remove, and then click on the relevant sections of the image to refine the selection. Once you are satisfied with the preview, look for the option called Keep Changes. Clicking this button will apply the background removal to your image. The white background will disappear, leaving only the main subject of the picture visible in your document. After the background has been removed, you can move, resize, or position the image anywhere in your document without the unwanted white area around it. This can greatly improve the overall appearance of your layout, especially when combining images with colored backgrounds, shapes, or text. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.